Now that you've finished lesson 2, the students have a better idea about what a plant is. You're going to need to prepare for lesson 3. There's a few things that you need to have done before you get started with lesson 3. The first thing is make sure that you've checked on your radish seeds to see if they've sprouted. You're going to be needing those in lesson 6. The second thing is to make sure that you go to your digital resources and you print out these cards. These are the RAIN cards. Now, each student is going to need a set of them, and there's actually 2 sets here. So for example, if you folded it in half, this is 1 set. So the students are either going to need to cut them out, or if you'd like to save some time, you can cut them out yourself. So before you begin lesson 3 of All About Rain, the Twig Science textbook asks you to make 2 mystery bags that you're going to share with your students. So one mystery bag would be a brown paper sack, same with the second, and you're actually going to put in dried leaves into one paper sack, and then you might want to coat the other paper sack with a plastic baggie because you're going to put wet leaves into that bag. Throughout lesson 3, the students are going to be listening to what they hear when they hear rain. They're going to be looking at some visual pictures of some grasslands, and then they're going to be watching some videos about rain. The idea is they're collecting information from multiple sources in order to gather their evidence. Once they have all their evidence, the students are going to now be able to reach inside the mystery bags. So take each bag separately around and let the students feel what's inside. The idea is that they are experiencing some dry leaves and also some moist leaves. So what kinds of things do those leaves need for plants in order to grow? Water. Lesson 3 in the Twig book deals with cause and effect. So we know that when it rains, plants grow. That's the idea of what we want the students to get. So the students are going to go ahead and use their handout that you printed out earlier and go ahead and cut out the pictures. And then we can talk about the cause is the rain and the effect is the plants. Or vice versa, if there's no rain, we have no plants. Also, at the end of lesson 3 on page 94, don't forget to have your students trace the letter Q, focus on questions, and the online interactive.